Hey, Tegan, where's your hair? Good job. Tegan, where are your feet? Where are your feet? Good job. Tegan, you get the light switch?
Yay!
Tegan, where's your belly? Where's your belly? Yeah. Where are your ears? Where are you? Good job. Where's your nose?
No.
Yeah. Tegan, does something stink? Tegan, are you tired? Good girl.
Where are your teeth? Where are your teeth?
What does the puppy say, Tegan? Good
What's
job.
a cow say?
Well, that's fine. Tegan, are you a single lady?
Oh.